My name is Yash and you're watching Flavors of Markets. So in this video, we are going to cover what is options. So options is very simple to understand, but people make it very complex. So let's begin. Option means that a price is decided on an underlying value. That means if there is an index, that is if it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, so a particular price is decided and it moves according to the index price. So if Nifty is going up, then the price of options also goes up. So in options you have to pay a premium to the seller, and if you are right on your trade, if you buy a call and if you are right on it, you get profits. But remember that option is only for a particular period of time. There are monthly options and weekly options. So if you are holding a stock and you carry it for 2-3 days max, but you can't carry it for more than 1 month because the option contract becomes valueless after the expiry. So if you take a trade, you have to close it within expiry days. You can't keep open positions for more than 1 month. So before expiry, you have to close a trade. And also, there is call and put in option. So in call, you think that a market is going to go up or a particular stock or the index is going to go up, then you buy a call. And if you think that the index or stock is going to go down, then you buy a put. So buying a call is for going up, and buying a put means you think that the price will go down. So this is a type of bidding that you predict the future price. You predict the future prices. So this is options in simple terms. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and see you in the next video with another content. So thank you so much for watching my video.